Fatima says, can we name our children with angel names such as Jibreel, etc.? Using the names of prophets and angels is permissible according to the most authentic opinion. Some scholars did not like calling or using the names of prophets and messengers. And this was refuted by the Prophet himself, ﷺ, calling his youngest son Ibrahim. So calling or using the names of messengers and prophets is totally permissible. Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas was known as Abu Ishaq, and the Prophet used to call him Aba Ishaq. As for the names of angels, the most authentic opinion is that this is permissible, whether it's Jibreel, Jibrail, Mikael, Mikal, or Israfil, providing one does not use such names with females. So it can be only used with male children, because we know that the idol worshippers and the disbelievers, as mentioned in the Quran, used to describe angels to be females and the daughters of Allah and the likes. May Allah Azza wa Jal be exalted from all of this nonsense. So it is not permissible to call a female Jibreel or Israfil or Mikael, or to call her an angel like Malak or Malak. All of these are not permissible. Can we name our baby boy Arham? Arham is the plural of Rahim, and this can be translated into the uterus, the womb of a woman, or it can be translated into kinship that relates people to one another. So the Arabs would consider this to be a funny name to call someone kinships. But is it permissible? It's a name. But it is not appropriate, as the Arabs, as stated earlier, would laugh if you called your son a chair, for example, any noun, a table or a door. That wouldn't be appropriate, and likewise with the name of Arham.